Hello, my name is Anna Obreke, and this is a presentation for my Management 182 course in Creative Sales with Professor Hansen at Pierce College, JBLM. And I would like to be hired with Amazon. Determination today is success for tomorrow. If I, as a worker, as a human, as a person that is giving to society, am determined today, I will succeed the day of tomorrow. I want to begin with a little bit of information in regards to Amazon, how it began. I think it's very interesting that back in 1994, the founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, began this internet sensation by selling books. Later progressed to selling music and videos, but it all began with the sale of books, and it got big real quickly, to the point that by the end of 1996 there were about 180,000 customer accounts, and by the end of 1997 they were 1 million customer accounts. That currently in the year 1998 was providing Amazon with a profit of $610 million. So things progressed really quickly for Amazon from the time it began. And now, from being that it began by selling books, it sells pretty much anything. It has handmade items, you name it. It has things for the home, things for the outdoors. It has electronics, hardware, appliances. You can pretty much sell anything online, and you can purchase anything online through Amazon today. And because of this creativity and really fast-driven growth in the company of Amazon, Amazon is considered the most innovative company as of today, with over 350,000 employees worldwide. And it is considered the largest internet retailer today. So you can just imagine, if you're selling absolutely everything, purchasing absolutely anything through Amazon all over the world, it is definitely the largest internet retailer, the most famous one by far. But Amazon is so much more than just being a retailer online. They do care about their employees, and they care about providing jobs to the communities, especially being a local place in Seattle, Washington. Amazon is very, very determined to provide jobs to the community, to people in the Seattle area and all over the world. They are committed to providing great benefit packages and providing a great workplace ambience for their employees. They have absolutely great customer service, providing not only for their online customers, but in person and over the web and over the phone. This type of customer service that is provided to their customers, the care, attentiveness, and their guarantees are by far incomparable with other companies in today's marketplace. And they do have local connections that surpass other companies as well. They do, like I said, outreaches, and they want to connect globally as well. International agendas that do surpass just the marketplace. They do things for not only the community, but for the world, natural resources and sustainability resources. They are also innovating ways for people in third world countries to be able to get technology access. for their simple and basic needs, which I think is absolutely amazing. And in the local area, if you work for Amazon, you can count on them being even attentive towards your pets. So currently they have over 7,000 dogs at the Amazon headquarters, and those are the dogs of all the employees, and they just want to make sure that they're well taken care of as well, because our pets are family as well. So I do believe that Amazon has a specific criteria for what an Amazonian should be. And in this instance, I would like to talk about somebody who's passionate and somebody who's creative, somebody who's innovative, as much as Amazon is, somebody who is absolutely completely devoted to not only the job, but to the people that they work for. It's somebody who's organized, somebody who knows how to provide good work, outstanding performance, and who does it all in a professional matter, and someone who is a go-to person because they are very knowledgeable, they are very acquired in their skill sets, someone who is bilingual, someone who can speak different languages, be able to fluently communicate with others in another language. And of course, I'm sure Amazon also requests someone who has type of leadership that motivates others, a type of leadership that guides and teaches others and is exemplary, and at the same time down to earth, and a people person who has empathy and sympathy for others around them. I believe Amazon also is requesting or requiring a worker who is wholehearted in their ideas, provides these innovative, creativity to the table with such a passion, and that brings a job well done, not needing to handle mistakes very often, and when done so, doing so in a professional manner, but knowing and having the satisfaction that the job is done right the first time, providing that excellence with the service, handling people just like you would want to be handled yourself, following that golden rule of what business really should look like, and also just being initiative in spirit, taking the initiative where need be, and being able to adapt to others as well, being flexible to be able to listen to others and acquire creativity and great knowledge from others as well. A great Amazonian also will be encouraging to others, will lift others up, will be positive and bring that positivity to the workplace, to the ambience, provide a great atmosphere for a team effort, for team efficiency, for team building, and will be a team player, but a leader within the team as well. A great Amazonian will bring cultural bridges to any cultural divides that there may be, will bring understanding and a true commitment to bringing diversity and expanding knowledge within cultural bridges that there may need be, and just building on what people already are and who they bring to the table, their talents, their gifts, their abilities, and building on that. And being efficient and also competent is what a true Amazonian should be. They will provide, or a true Amazonian will provide great work at all times, and will be able and capable to do new things when it need be. So now that I have described myself as a true Amazonian, I'd like to work for Amazon, and you would like to hire me. I've been an Amazonian since 2012, and I'm very proud to present myself to you. Provided, here's my contact information. And like I said, everything that is stated in this presentation is guaranteed.